And we've done that when we've done so with the support of the very community that support us. From our clients and our brand partners who continue to trust us with their campaigns, thank you so much. To the talents and the creators who bring our ideas to life. To the talent management agencies and media publications who amplify our stories. And to all the external partners who work tirelessly alongside us. Most importantly, we honor and thank our people, both our current team and the past employees whose hard work and dedication have laid the foundation for where Sparkit stands today. Each and every one of you guys have been a very vital part of our journey, and we wouldn't be here without you. But as we all know, true growth isn't measured by just success. It's about how we extend that success to uplift other people. That's why we believe in giving back to the community that helped us get to where we are today. And now we are taking it even further. Today, we're very proud to introduce Sparkit Strengthened Commitment to Corporate Social Responsibility, our very own advocacy. And to discuss this further, allow me to introduce you guys to Sparkit's Director of Business Development, Javan Martin.
As we celebrate the 10 years of Sparkit, we are reminded that our true legacy goes beyond the campaigns we create or the communities we help inspire. It lies in the future we help build. Because Sparking Change is not just a slogan, it is our responsibility. Tonight, we reaffirm that responsibility through two powerful partnerships that bring our vision to life. Empowering the youth to protect the planet. And youth is not just an age, it is a spirit. Within every millennial, Gen X, or boomer in this room lives an inner child with the power to do good and share good. By awakening that spirit, we protect the planet not only for ourselves, but for generations to come. We begin with our partner that has been with us on this journey, the Plastic Flamingo, or the PLAF. The PLAF tackles one of our biggest challenges: ocean-bound plastic waste. Through their EcoBoard technology, they transform hard-to-recycle plastics, even sachets, into durable boards that become furniture, construction materials, and school chairs. Moving forward, Sparkit commits to quarterly plastic waste collections, which will be turned into products with lasting purpose. Proof that what was once waste can become something useful and sustainable. Beyond collection, we will also work with the PLAF to conduct sustainability workshops and sessions across our internal workforce. And because change grows stronger when it multiplies, we plan to extend these sessions to our in-house talents and KOLs like you guys, especially for those who want to learn how they can help conserve the planet. Thank you. As for our second partner, we are honored to announce our new partnership with Save the Children Philippines. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Yes. For over 40 years, they have been at the forefront of protecting and empowering Filipino children through education, child rights, and protection programs. They work to ensure that every child has the right to survival, protection, development, and participation. Together with them, Sparkit will engage our employees and outreach activities alongside workshops and sessions, giving our team the knowledge and perspective to truly integrate child protection and youth empowerment into our company culture. Because knowledge is power, and the more we understand, the better we can act. And just like with the Plastic Flamingo, we will not keep this knowledge within Sparkit alone. We will open these opportunities to our in-house talents and external partners because true power lies within the community. When more people are involved, the bigger the change we can actually create. And since we're already talking about the power of community, we'd love for you to join us in a campaign that unites both our partners, one that addresses education and sustainability at the same time. Together, let's spark change one chair at a time. Pumera Elementary School in Malabon is in need of 300 chairs to accommodate their growing number of students within their 6 This is actually our chance to provide not just seats, but enduring hope and motivation through sturdy, sustainable learning tools, all while helping reduce plastic waste. For only 2,136 pesos, you can donate one Eco chair and hopefully more. Each chair is durable, it's low maintenance, eco-friendly, proud Filipino, and built to last, ensuring comfort and quality years for years and years of learning. For those who are interested, for those who have the needs, donating is very simple. You just send your donation to our assigned bank account, or receive your screenshot. You can scan this QR code, and then you just upload your proof, and you can actually receive your official receipt and personalized donation certificate from the Plastic Flamingo, Save the Children Philippines, and Spartan. You can also join us in our outreach program when we deliver personally the chairs to Potrero Elementary School. And as a first step, Spartan is donating 50,000 pesos to Save the Children Philippines. Tonight, we are honored to present this check to our very own President and Chief Executive Officer, Katrina Yulo Garcia, and our Chief Operating Officer, Francis Bob Santos, and to be received by Save the Children Philippines Senior Manager for Corporate Partnerships, Ms. Rian Antalos.
The children, please. We're going to have our officers from Spartan as well to officially turn over the check. And once again, if you guys want to donate a chair, right outside, you can scan the QR code, and you are actually going to get a sticker if you donate a chair. Alright, so feel free to Spartan gave us so much, it's time to give back.